Hi friends, I am N2. Welcome to N1 N2 tutorial. Today we are going to learn addition and this is my episode 2. So you are watching addition part 2 and the houses which we are going to use for this video is L T T H T H H T O, and I am going to first show you this. These are the shortcuts of the houses which we are using in this episode. L for lakh, T T H 10,000, T H 1,000, H hundreds, T tens, O ones, and A and S means answer. So these are the shortcuts we are going to use for today's video, and you can find these shortcuts at you have to visit our website. n1n2tutorial.blogspot.com is the name of our website. You can visit the website. It's for the shortcuts and the link is in the description box below. So today we are using these houses in our this video. So we have some numbers written here to solve. So let's start. So let's solve these numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0 only. 0 plus 0 again equals 0 only, as I told you before. So we will write 0 over here. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 over here, and we are going to carry the 1 over here. And you have to add 9 plus 1, 10. So the 1 is here. Now 2 plus 1, 3. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have to first add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then the carry over 1 which was left to be carried here. So it is 4. And over here in the 10,000 column, 7 plus 2. So it's 9. And since we don't have anything here, it's a plus sign. So we will consider it as a 0. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. So the answer over here is 8, 9, 4, 0, 0, 0. So we have the answer as 8,94,000 is the answer. So we have this answer over here. As I told you before, A and S means answer. Let's move on to sum number 2. See, in this sum there are some numbers which will take time to add. So we are going to do this slowly. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And over here 7 plus 5. So in this case, when there is a bigger number and we have to carry over, so you are going to break the numbers and add. Like it's 7. So out of 5, first we will take 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. And 10 and the leftover 2. And then we'll add that. And the answer of 7 plus 5 is 12. Here we have got 12 written here. Now let's do the next one. So over here in the 10,000 column of sum number 2, we have 8 plus 6. So over here we have 1. This carried over number written here is 1. So we are going to do this sum like this. We are going to add this number like this. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. And the one leftover one we are going to add. So the answer in this column will be 15. So we are going to carry over the 1 here in the lakhs column. And then we are going to add this. So 2 plus 3 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. So the answer is 9, 5, 2, 9, 5, 1. 9,52,951 is the answer for sum number 2. Let's move on to sum number 3. Over here, 9 plus 1 equals 10. 0 here, 1 will be carried here. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. Or rather, you can do 4 plus 1, which equals 5, and 5 plus 2, which equals 7. And over here, 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0 is here and 1 will be carried over. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. So the 1 will be here and one more 1 will be here. So in this case, now we are going to, so we have 4 over here, 2 and 1. So 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. So our answer over here is 7. Next we come to the lakhs column. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So here we have got a bigger number. We have got 10,71,070. So the answer over here will be 1071 and 070. So we are going to say that the answer for sum number 3 is 10,71,070. Let's move on to sum number 4. 0 plus 1 equals 1. So the answer over here will be 1. 0 plus 1 again 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 here, and the carried over 1 will be in the 10,000 column. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 will be here, and over here 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer over here, as you can see, I have kept this sum as a very easy sum. It's only once in the second column, and the answer will be 7, 9, 0, 9, 1, 1. 7,90,911 is the answer for sum number 4. So friends, there is one thing over here that we don't write it like this. Since the number has been 10 lakhs, so there comes one more column as 10 lakh over here, where you can see 3. There will be 10 lakh, and then the sum number 3 that is written, that will come. So there should be a 10 lakh column also, but the 10 lakh column and more we will learn in episode number 3, edition episode 3. For now, let's come back and solve sum number 5. So over here 3 plus 1 equals 4. 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 Same over here and same over here. See, this was also a very easy number to do. So I've kept easy sums also, and we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to count properly that in this number, like these answers, you have to count properly that how many 4s we have to write. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 4s. So the answer over here will be 4,44,444. So let's move on to if you all want, friends, you all can also practice these sums. These sums are very easy to be practiced. You can see you can watch my video and practice these sums. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. And one thing I have to just tell you, that you can find these shortcuts in our website also. So please visit our website also. Thanks for watching.